This video we're going to be discussing the images that are inside of Cricut Design Space. So let's go ahead and get started. So images are things that Cricut Design Space has designed. Maybe it's cartridges, maybe it's free, maybe it's part of the Cricut Access. So I'm going to show you how you can determine what is all involved with the image itself, whether or not it's going to cost you money, whether or not you're going to be able to use your subscription in order to pay for it. So anything with the green little access A here, that would be part of your subscription. So as long as you're a monthly or yearly subscriber here, those images would be free for you to use while you are on a subscription. However, if you are not on a subscription, you're still free to design with these items. However, if you do decide to cut the project, at that point, that's when you would be asked to pay the money. So let's go ahead and take a look at a few things that are on here. Obviously, if the thumbnails are not big enough for you to see, you have this button right here where you can enlarge it. Okay. The other thing that we have access to is the eye, the little informational thing right here. So if I click on this, you can actually see what cartridge or what group does it come from. So this one comes from Garden Soup. If I click on Garden Soup, I'm now presented with all the images that are inside of that cartridge. And if you don't have the subscription and if you like the entire cartridge, you can buy the digital cartridge. It's right here. Click on it. It's $14, gets you 261 images. But this allows you to further filter what you're actually looking for. And you're like, oh yeah, this has the bee and the text that I'm looking for in my project, and you simply may want to purchase it, because if you don't have access and you're just looking to use this, 14 images would have added up to this price here. So this one comes with 261. You click on the buy cartridge, you own it for the rest of the time that you have Cricut Design Space. Okay. Now how do you get back to all the images again? You click on this button right here where it says images. And obviously, if you are selecting images to add to your design space canvas, all you have to do is click on them, and you can see we have a little icon right here where you can see them start adding up. So if I wanted that, this, and this, and then I click this on accident, well, I can click it again, it turns it off. Or if I'm already on a different page, and you can say to yourself, you know what, I really don't need this one. Hover your mouse over it, click it, it removes it from there. And once you're all ready to insert the images on your canvas, you simply click this green button right here, and it now adds all of those to your canvas layout so that you can size them and color them the way you want, and then click the Make It button right there. So that's how you add images. That's how we can change the thumbnail, get a little more information about it. In the next couple of videos, we're going to talk about how you can search, and further refine your searches so that you can get the results that you need. Okay.